Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. A couple of months ago, I introduced this RYOBI Cordless Rotary Tool. Now, I have gotten a lot of use out of this thing. It's turned out to be better than the Hart brand. Just little things on here that I like a lot. I'm very impressed with, and use it quite frequently. But we're not showing you this one today. About a month ago, well, before Thanksgiving, this is January 5th now, 5th or 6th. Just happened to be trolling the Home Depot website, and I found it wasn't even on the market yet. It is on the market now, but I just happened to run into this little thing right here. This is a new RYOBI rotary tool, cordless, and it has the battery right here in the bottom. So let's give this thing a quick review. Now, I've used this thing once already, and I like this. I like this a lot. So we're going to do an actual project with this later. This is just an introduction to this tool. So I ordered this from Home Depot, had it shipped to the store, and I picked it up. There we go. Got some different views on this thing. It came with the base, the 1.5 amp battery, the charger, the wand. Sorry there, folks, I had to go dump some videos off this video card over here. So this, where was I? It comes with these accessories inside this little pocket right here, and this pocket also has a little holes in the top so you can store the accessories. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. The ones that you are using will store nicely. If I can get one out of here. Just a second here. Let's just use this one. Okay, they store nicely right here. So that's kind of cool. Whoop, that one just fell right on through there. So that's kind of cool. And of course, the other ones that you're not using will store down there. Oh, there you go. I just noticed this. Your wrench, which is one of your accessories, if I can get it back out of here, will store right here. So now your wand, or your actual working tool, easily store right here. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the accessories. What do we have in this accessory bag? We have the drum mandrel, the sanding drum mandrel, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sanding drums that will fit on this mandrel. Now this is the smallest one I believe that they make. There we go. That's your close up. Got two different cameras going right here. Got 2 polishing pads, and the little tool that holds it together, it's just right Where's it at? Did they not include that? Huh. It's kind of weird. Oh, wait. Has a screw mandrel. I was looking for the other one that kind of has a little bitty tiny screw on the top that we've all seen before. But it has the screw mandrel, which is right there. And it just, there's a little hole in this pad. It just screws into there pretty easily like that. And it has the buffing compound, which is, I know I just had that. That's here it is. Buffing compound. So when you attach your buffer, you open up this compound, turn the thing on low, and coat this wheel with your buffing compound. Let's see here. We have one wire brush. We have one brown oxide sharpening stone. And we have one pointed diamond stone. There we go. Let's try to get, there we go. And that's it for the accessories. So let me push these back into this bag here. And show you something else on here. Back in here. Let me unscrew this. Put it back into its sleeping bag. Put it back into this tent. Since I call that a sleeping bag, I'll call that a tent. Now, the battery that comes with it, the 1.5 hour, you can change it with the batteries from the bigger rotary tools with no issues. So, let's just go ahead and do that right now. Easily done. So they are interchangeable, no issues at all. But we're going to stick with the one that came with the units. There we go. Let me put this little wrench aside, put that in there. Now, on my cell phone, which of course I don't have in my pocket right now, let me go grab my cell phone and I'll be right back. Here we go. On my cell phone, I have a vibrometer. So let me pull this up here and see if I can find it on here. I haven't used it in a while. Scroll through here. I have a vibrometer and I also have a sound meter. Here we go. Got these free off Google Play. So, close that. I'm going to just hold this up to this camera right here. Turn this thing on, which has a button right there. And I'm going to turn it on. That is on high. And you can see the desk that it's on. Let me zoom in just a little bit with this camera. It's going from There we go. Now let me put it on the tool itself. Whoops, can't see that. There we go. Let's go down to 1. There we go. Now let's go X out of here and let's go to the sound meter. Okay, we'll start with the 1. Okay, here we go. Had to reset my settings on here. So the sound meter, you can see that. It's on 1. If I talk over it, it goes up to the mid 80s. But if it's on 1, it's at between 40 and 43. Okay, let's go high with it. Goes up to 69. I'm going to touch it to the phone. Didn't really change anything. So, and the vibration on this thing, let me turn this off, close all, back this out a little bit. Now the vibration on this is very, very light, very, very light. Very comfortable, very comfortable. So, we're going to do an actual project with this in the next video. And I find this to be perfect for people who do gourd carving, maybe jewelry making, engraving, that kind of stuff. I'm pleased with this. I like this a lot. This might be my go-to rotary tool for that kind of application. Not cutting, of course. Cutting, I'm going to use a stronger rotary tool. But I didn't show you one thing. This is just like all the other rotary tools. To connect one of these bits onto the shaft, we're just going to use this one because it's the first one that came to the edge. Okay, it's got a lock button right here in the back. So, there you go. Pull down and it will lock the shaft in place so you can, whoops, bit just fell on the floor. So you can insert the bit. Well, let's do this first. Let's see what kind of collets are inside. Should be at least one. Yep, got one collet, one brass collet. So let's put this back on. I have this pulled back to lock it so I can tighten it. So I'm going to put the bit in, tighten this up by hand. Not pushing the accessory bit all the way down. I'm going to pull it out like between an 1/8 and a 1/4 inch up. And then take my wrench and tighten this down. Easy enough. So bit change is very easy on here. So, like I was saying, I believe for a lot of my lighter uses, this is going to be my go-to. I'm enjoying this thing a lot. And I got it shipped to the store on sale with one battery and charger for $69. Now I believe right now they're on the website for $129, but if you're interested in these, go check them out. You might have to go to the website and look at them. I don't think they're in the stores yet, but check them out, look at them if you can. And if you want one, wait till they go back on sale. Maybe RYOBI days, they'll be on sale again. RYOBI days is when I bought the other model, the bigger model. It came with 2 batteries, a charger, the tool, and a carrying case for $99. So, $69 with a battery. No case though, just came in a brown box. I like this thing a lot. I would recommend this. So far, I'm very pleased with it, and I think you'll be happy with it also. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate watching.